Let me welcome you all today. It's a great honor to, be with the stalwarts of the finance sector. And so today, the first song which I'm going to sing is from a film called Ram Prasad Ki Tervi. It's on Netflix, which I recently sung for. It is composed by my friend Sagar Desai. It's a beautiful song, and the words are really meaningful. The way we need people to guide us for the financial planning. This song is something of that sort. It speaks about guidance in the time of need. So let me begin the song. We have Puneet with me on the guitar. एक अधूरा काम है तुमसे कराऊंगा जीवन जिसका नाम है आज बताऊंगा एक अधूरा काम है तुमसे कराऊंगा जीवन जिसका नाम है आज बताऊंगा ओ सुंदर गहरा राज है तुमको सिखाऊंगा दूर से दिखता गाँव आज घुमाऊंगा ओह रात का अंधेरा वक्त पे आएगा और जो धरा है मुट्ठी में साथ ले जाएगा रात का अंधेरा वक्त पे आएगा और जो धरा है मुट्ठी में साथ ले जाएगा ओहो ऐसे पहर में कैसे चलना तुमको सिखाऊंगा ओहो एक अधूरा काम है तुमसे कराऊंगा आते रे जाते साथ बिठा के सुर समझाऊंगा अरे डुम 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 डु डुम डु डुम.
Wow, क्या बात है अर्नब. To start off this segment of the World Financial Planning Day with a song that you have sung originally in that movie, and I'm sure that I know that I have seen the movie and it's such a beautiful one. Really speaks to life, and I think the lyrics of the song and the sort of importance of that song, at least from my perspective when I see it, is one generation talking to the other generation, and the concept of money and wealth for a previous generation or between generations is so different. I mean, we all know how our parents have looked at it, and we know how we look at it, and we know how our kids look at it. And here is a song that really talks about holding your hand through life and telling you and teaching you how you're going to probably pass it on in a manner of speaking, and doing those things which have been aspirations which have not been fully fulfilled, or something that they haven't worked towards in their lifetimes, and they want their children to have those aspirations in their life. And to me, Arnab, and to all the audience, I think there is a deeper meaning, and the way we are trying to interpret this segment through these songs is that wealth for wealth's sake or money for money's sake versus what it allows you to do and the happiness and joy that it brings to your life is probably the central theme, at least for me. There is a very, very, old Greek mythology connection, which talks about that, there are only two ways to happiness. And one is acquiring everything that you want, which is happiness for the sake, pleasure for the sake of happiness and focusing on pleasure. And the other route to happiness is the focus on virtue. And the lesson is that actually it's a very fine balance between the two, because there are experts who say, for instance, that rich kids, just because you are following pleasure, are not necessarily happy. And at the same time, those who are so-called leftists, who might be following virtue, are also not happy, necessarily fully happy. And I think in this song, it captures, generations, it captures aspirations, it captures, doing something, and family is central to that. To me, I think when it comes to wealth, when it comes to, planning for the future, there is a big element that, family, social connections and relationships play. And in the race to make money, in the race to make wealth, missing out on that connection is probably something that we must guard against. And I guess this pandemic is something that has brought that into sharp relief for so many of us. So thank you for that beautiful song.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, Ajit. Fantastic. I have an incredible interpretation to the song. Well done, yeah.
Well, I enjoyed the song. I'm sure you did.
No. And Arnav's done such amazing justice to that song. I saw the movie, and of course, a very touching movie. And the way he sung the song, and when the father is singing it, it just brings the father to life. So, incredible voice.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So the next song is also, which I'm going to sing, is a very popular song. And it talks about the ups and downs in life and how to, overcome it, take it on your stride. And the objective is that not to let anything affect you, and just be confident and search forward. आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे। आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे। टेल मी ओ खुदा, अब मैं क्या करूं? चलूं सीधी के उल्टी चलूं? आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे। यूं ही बिन बात के छलकी जाए हंसी, डोले जब हवा लागे गुदगुदी। यूं ही बिन बात के छलकी जाए हंसी, डोले जब हवा लागे गुदगुदी। संभलूं गिर पड़ूं, अरे 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 तौबा क्या करूं? चलूं सीधी के उल्टी चलूं? आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे। आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे। टेल मी ओ खुदा, अब मैं क्या करूं? चलूं सीधी के उल्टी चलूं? आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे।
Arnav, I must confess that, I'm a little biased to this song because is sung by one of my favorite singers, Kavita Krishnamurthy. Of course, it's sung by Kumar Sanu, but I'm a little biased towards Kavita Krishnamurthy. And on screen was Manisha Koirala singing this song. But the way you sang it clearly blew me away, because I'm a biased Kavita Krishnamurthy fan, and to hear you singing this the way you did, the life you brought to this song is unbelievable. I mean, the first time, and I'm just being very honest on this one, the first time I heard this song, and whenever, as career people in mutual funds, the thing that talks to us most is the market. And we try endlessly to figure out how the market will behave, which way it will go. But this is like the market talking to you in its own shape, in its own form, not giving a damn to what we think, and says, ki aaj mein upar, asman niche. It's actually above everybody. Sometimes it goes below. And just when you start thinking that the market will go somewhere, the market, of course, in its own tune, asks God, you tell me where I'll go. Tell me, yo Khuda, ab main kya karu? So, I mean, it's that futile attempt of trying to figure out that market. It's the futile attempt of figuring out which way the market will go. While to me, the market always sings this song and it's in its own mood. So it's always better for all of us to figure out our own ways and not figure out the market, because whenever you think of figuring out the market, just listen to this song and it's definitely not in your grasp. It is in its own mood. And even in today, when a lot of people now are thinking that the markets will correct, not correct, just request all of you to go back and hear this song, and it'll always sing back to you, ki aaj mein upar, asman niche, aaj mein aage, zamana is piche. Always the zamana will remain piche to the market. There is no bigger, smarter animal than the market, and don't even try to outsmart it, is the way I look at this song.
Arnab, you sang this beautifully. Swarupa, I just have to interject.
Incredible. I'm telling you, and I'm just being honest, Radhika, when, Arnab was going to sing, this is not an easy song to sing. I'm not a musician, but you try singing this song. It's not easy to sing. And that's what these great singers do. They make it look so easy. We feel that we can sing it, but try singing this song.
Swarup, if I wasn't in a sari in my cabin, I would be dancing. I was like half dancing, because I was 13 when the song released. And nearly every time something happy happens in my life, I start dancing to this song. So, which I should have probably not said.
I mean, everything was perfect about this song. I mean, background vocals and Manisha Koirala on screen, Khamoshi, the movie, outstanding movie. And what you did today, I mean, if I can show you, there is goosebumps on my hands right now. Well done.
So next song, which I'm going to sing, it's slightly philosophical now, and it is from the movie Pyasa, sung by Rafi Saab, written by Sahir Ludhiani Saab, and composed by S.D. Burman. So I don't need to introduce this song. The moment I sing it, I guess you'll understand the song which I'm talking about. ये महलों, ये तख्तों, ये ताजों की दुनिया, ये इंसान के दुश्मन समाजों की दुनिया, ये महलों, ये तख्तों, ये ताजों की दुनिया, ये इंसान के दुश्मन समाजों की दुनिया, ये दौलत के भूखे रवाजों की दुनिया, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है। हर एक जिस्म घायल, हर एक रूह प्यासी, निगाहों में उलझन, दिलों में उदासी, ये दुनिया है या आलमे बदहवासी, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये महलों, ये तख्तों, ये ताजों की दुनिया, ये इंसान के दुश्मन समाजों की दुनिया, ये दौलत के भूखे रवाजों की दुनिया, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है.
Fantastic. Unbelievable.
Yes, it is a philosophical song. And I'm so happy you mentioned that this has been sung by Rafi Saab, because this is so singularly associated with Gurdat Saab that very few people actually remember that this is Rafi Saab behind. But, you know, when it comes to investing, investing is also a little bit philosophical. And then it's very well said by this song, ki agar ye duniya bhi mil jaye to kya hai. Whenever, and Radhika and Ajit, correct me if I'm wrong, is that whenever we talk about investing, we talk about financial planning, and today is the World Financial Planning Day. And then the beginning of financial planning happens with a goal. If you don't have a goal, then you do not know why you want the money. And that is why this song rightly said, even if you get the money, you will not know why you need the money. It's not often, and it's not, unreal that when most of the financial planners sit with you and ask you the fundamental question, why do you want to invest? Because if you do not know why you want to invest, you will not know where you will invest. And if you do not know where you will invest, you will obviously not know what to do with the money when you get it. And it's so aptly said by this song. Of course, it is a satire on the materialistic world. But from when you look at it from an investment perspective, I do believe that if you do not know why you are investing, you will not know when to take out the money. Because that's what a goal does to you. It gives you a direction. More important, it takes you to a place where you can materialize that direction. It gives a tangible to your investing. And that's the beauty of investing. And if you do not know where you will invest or why you will invest, you will never know where you will invest. And more important, you will not know when it is time to realize that. And even if you have all the money, since you do not know why you invested it for in the first place, that money will be of no use. At this moment, when you go onto the internet, there's this big debate going on Britney Spears, person who has a lot of money, but was guided by her father to take care of her money. And now as she breaks away, it will be very interesting to know what she does with her money. Does she actually know how to handle her money? Does she know where she will use this money? And this song sort of puts it in the right perspective, because ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, अगर आपको पैसा मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होगा किधर वो पैसा यूटिलाइज करने का हो. So thank you, Arnab, for singing this, a song which is very close to my heart, and singing it the way you did, which was so fresh to hear, and an incredible song. Thank you.
Well said, Swaroop. I agree. Superb.
Yeah.
Arnab, you have more for us.
Yes. So the next song is again from a film called Family. It was one of the films which I sung for, composed by Ram Sampath, written by Sameer Saab, my own song. It was picturized on Akshay Kumar. The film had Amitabh Bachchan and Akshay Kumar. So it is again trying to just slightly change the mood from a philosophical one to a more happy one. So let's. मस्ती में डूबे डूबे चाहत के मौसम को, तेरे भीगे भीगे इन होठों की शबनम को, मस्ती में डूबे डूबे चाहत के मौसम को, तेरे भीगे भीगे इन होठों की शबनम को, मदहोशी में होश गवा के कहता दिल दीवाना, कतरा कतरा जिएंगे कतरा कतरा, कतरा कतरा पिएंगे कतरा कतरा, मस्ती में डूबे डूबे चाहत के मौसम को,
अरे तेरे भीगे भीगे इन होठों की शबनम को मदहोशी में होश गवा के कहता दिल दीवाना, कतरा कतरा जिएंगे कतरा कतरा, कतरा कतरा पिएंगे कतरा कतरा। सिर्फ तुमको देखती है अब हमारी आंखें, बस तुम्हारा नाम लेती आती जाती सांसें। तुमने जितना चाहा है कोई और नहीं चाहेगा, तुमसे अलग होके दिल मेरा चैन कहाँ पाएगा। पल पल जो हमें छेड़ रहा है दर्द है कुछ अनजाना, कतरा कतरा जिएंगे कतरा कतरा, कतरा कतरा पिएंगे कतरा कतरा, कतरा कतरा जिएंगे कतरा कतरा, कतरा कतरा पिएंगे कतरा कतरा।
I think Arnab, when I heard this song for the first time, and it was Akshay Kumar on screen, if I'm not wrong, yes. And when you look at that song, and of course when you say Katra Katra Jiyenge, Katra Katra Piyenge, Katra Katra, it talks about life also. It talks about Akshay Kumar in a certain way, because when we look at investing, of course, we invest in as per our cash flows. And one of the best cash flow solution to investing is the SIP form of investing. And what it leads to in totality is what Akshay Kumar is in totality in life. Started very small, doing in movies in small quantities, but when he comes and sings you on screen, you will also be proud of the fact that you are the background singer to such a larger than life star. But when you look at investing happens in small installments, and never ever underestimate the 1,000 rupees that you put into capital markets. What it leads to is a sum total, and that's how investing is done. Invest within your means, invest within your capacity, and katra katra, which is, boond boond mein jisse kehte hain, can become very large. We've practiced it both in systematic investments. Some of us practice it in lump sum. Is based on, I'm a salaried individual, so I base it on the income too. But as you start investing in small amounts, what happens over a period of time is something which many of us who've been investing for the last 15-20 years have experienced. And now where we are in a market where a lot of young people come in, my humble request is never underestimate any amount, whether it's small or big, in the capital markets, but do it consistently, and you will become an Akshay Kumar in times to come. And you will definitely have a talent like Arnab backing you up in vocal some point of time, or some large financial planner backing you up in due course of time. So katra katra it is when it comes to investing.
Yeah, in fact, Swaroop, what you say reminds me that, I didn't know that this was picturized on Akshay Kumar. But
yeah, it is. And I mean, see, actually, no, let's go to the background. Behind this, Ajit, when Arnab said he would sing his song, I couldn't resist, the fact that, we would get his song on the show, and no better, choice than his own song.
Correct. So the next song,
absolutely,
is a very, very beautiful song. Amazing lyrics by Sahir Saab, once again, Sahir Ludhianvi. But this time the composition is done by R.D. Burman instead of S.D. Burman. And it is sung by none other than Kishore Kumar Saab from the movie A Gale Lag Ja.
तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई। तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई। जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना। तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना। धुआं धुआं था वो समा, यहाँ वहाँ जाने कहाँ। धुआं धुआं था वो समा, यहाँ वहाँ जाने कहाँ। तू और मैं कहीं मिले थे पहले, देखा तुझे तो दिल ने कहा, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना। तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू या माने ना।
Arnab, amazing. Sorry, I mean, this is a personal song, Arnab, and Ajit and Radhika, it's a different twist to the song. I'd like to say, because in this process of active fund management, and in the past when we've been selling active funds so aggressively, suddenly, and this is a real thing, I heard this song and it was like the benchmark or the index speaking to me कि तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, right? The index or the benchmark somewhere cried out to me and said कि okay, you've been speaking active, but I'm also there, okay? And पहले से नाता कोई, we've always been associated with the benchmark or the index, but somewhere we were, and I've been foolish enough to be on stages and said that active management or alpha generation is here to stay perpetually. I've made this statement. You can Google me on this one also. And that's how you unlearn. And slowly as alpha generation becomes difficult, and then there is the birth of passive on the other side. The benchmark after the Spiva report again came back and said that धुआं धुआं था ये समा, because we were on the assumption that it will happen, but it now says that तू और मैं मिले थे पहले कहीं, but now we are there together. So the world of investing from an asset management is on both sides, that is active, which is sheer alpha generation, but at the same time, the passive or the index cries out to us and says कि तेरा मुझसे पहले का नाता कोई, because from the time of selling mutual funds or equity mutual funds, we've been benchmarking it to the index, but there is a side of the benchmark or the index investing which is gaining popularity. And this was what I heard this song and it struck me some 2 years back, and here I am selling both sides now, very agnostic to what the investor wants, or I am a dispassionate seller. If the investor wants the active, take the active, or if the advisor feels it's the right thing, or the distributor feels it's the right thing for the investor, then take the active. Or if some people feel the passive is their way, it's their way. As an asset manager, we are on both sides, and we'd like to take the journey on both sides. And this song sort of put it in the right perspective to me. And I'm very thankful for this song to clear my mind, at least on which side I'm on. I'm on neither, but let's put good products on both sides and then carry on. Thank you, Arnab. I think R.D. Burman and Kishore Kumar is life for us, and you bringing it so well out is magic. Yeah, please continue, and we look forward to the other songs. I think let's get back to Arnab.
Yes. So the next song, So next song is from the movie Mausam, and from Sahir Saab and R.D. Burman and S.D. Burman, we move forward to another legendary lyricist from our industry, Gulzar Saab. And this song is composed by Madan Mohan ji and sung by Bhupinder Singh ji. दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन, दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन, बैठे रहे तसव्वुरे जाना किए हुए, दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन, बैठे रहे तसव्वुरे जाना किए हुए, दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन. Puneet on the acoustic guitar. झाड़ों की नरम धूप आंगन में लेट कर, झाड़ों की नरम धूप आंगन में लेट कर, आँखों पे खींच कर तेरे दामन के साए को औंधे पड़े रहे कभी करवट लिए हुए, दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन, बैठे रहे तसव्वुरे जाना किए हुए, दिल ढूंढता है फिर वही फुर्सत के रात दिन.
Arnab, I think it's my turn to get the goosebumps. This is one of my favorites that you've sung, and Puneet, what a fantastic job you did on this. Thank you so much. But Arnab, more than that, I think you brought your own style. I mean, a little bit of your tonality into this, and I think it enhanced the song for me for sure. And when I was thinking about the song, it essentially harks back to wanting, time for yourself, peace, away from running the rat race, on a constant basis, and that little bit of company as you enjoy yourself, your moments, as you look up at the stars. And, the whole song is actually about that, about searching for those moments of happiness. And I'm sort of bringing it back to on the World Financial Planning Day, that as we focus on the things we want, on the goals, on the process, there is an ultimate purpose to all of it. And it's already, very, very well known that, money beyond a point doesn't increase happiness. It is actual research that states that, lesser money can potentially mean less happiness, but more money does not necessarily mean more happiness. So there is some threshold at which then, the meaning and the purpose and the utility of that wealth is actually a degree of wanting to have control over your life, control over your time, and control over your circumstances. And this song sort of reflects for me that it is important that we plan. It is important that we think about the future, but not to forget that in that journey is the whole purpose of having more time for yourself to enjoy life as it is, with your loved ones, with your family, which is probably the thing that even research suggests, amongst many other things, that adds to happiness. So I was thinking, Swaroop, Radhika, as I was putting these, some of these songs, I was thinking that is it all the tough times that we went through in the markets over the last 2 years that I was thinking, dil dhoondta hai fursat ke raat din, as we run towards whatever we have to, do. That in itself is, of course, enjoyable and a challenge. And when it turns out good, it's nice. But I hope that on World Financial Planning Day, as we think about our journeys and think about our goals, we make space for time with ourselves and our loved ones. Thank you so much, Arnab, for rendering that song so beautifully, and to you too, Puneet.
Thank you. So the next song again is a combination of Gulzar Saab and R.D. Burman and Kishore Kumar, the amazing trio which we all love. And again, it is something, when I heard this song for the first time, I didn't understand a lot of words. I mean, it was some beautiful words which were actually introduced to this song. So the moment I sing, you will obviously understand it. So let us begin.
Hey, hey, hey. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। ओ एक बार यूं मिली मासूम सी कली, एक बार यूं मिली मासूम सी कली, हो खिलते हुए कहा खुशबाश में चली, देखा तो यही है ढूंढा तो नहीं है, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है।
Wow, what a rendition. What a super song. This is incredible, really. And I know that, when we think about the song, Swaroop, just as, you had one of the songs that you were commenting on, it seems like Aane Wala Pal Jaane Wala Hai is so connected to the markets. And sometimes it's optimism, and then if you get lost into that optimism, you get caught out on the downswing. But, when I think about the song, there is also, one aspect that I think, and that's, again, trying to be a little more relevant from a World Financial Planning Day, perspective. There is, again, a lot of, research that talks about, success. And one aspect is, does success lead to happiness? And actually, research suggests that it's the reverse, right? Happiness leads to success, and a very, very small part of your competency and your skills actually decide your success. It is most often your internal tuning, your attitude to life, your optimism levels that actually decide success. And there's a very, very favorite quote of mine, which I use in probably one of the only quotes that I use in all of my presentation, that people don't decide their futures, they decide their habits, and their habits decide their future. And to me, I think it is about, if you're going on a journey on creating success for yourself, wealth for yourself, and on the occasion of World Planning Day, I would say that personally, what I've seen work is, if you can really change your habits. You have every moment comes, every moment goes. But in this moment, if you can decide and change some of your habits, get positive habits, whether it's about saving or whether it's about your outlook, whether it's about your investments, whether it is about getting a good advisor. It is really those habits that will decide how that future journey would be. And there is, every moment in your life is an occasion that you can probably leverage for it. True. And so this is a beautiful song that talks about the importance of the moment. And many of us put things off, but I'm hoping that people seize the moment and find what works for them. Thanks so much, Arnav.
Wow. Let us continue with our song journey. Once again, the next song, it's composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji.
ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है। ये ना सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है, ये ना सोचो इसमें अपनी हार है कि जीत है, उसे अपना लो जो भी जीवन की रीत है, ये जिद छोड़ो यूं ना तोड़ो, हर पल एक दर्पण है, ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है, यही है, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है।
Oh. If I close my eyes, it's Kishore Kumar's Ghost. I know it was so beautiful enough. It was So beautiful. It's a lovely song as well. I think Basu Bhattacharya movie, Piya Ka Ghar, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere in the 70s. And I think this movie sort of reflects that hardships in life in a city like Mumbai. And I think the movie revolves around a couple who, who lives life in a very small home with a lot of people around, and their struggles for privacy and all of that, just as it is typical in probably many homes. And ultimately, there are so many sacrifices that people make in the family for their happiness. But then they all ultimately decide to live together. Of course, it's a happy ending. But I think in, the movie and this particular song talks about the fact of, talks about, I think, what we are all aware, that there are pluses and minuses. There are occasions to be happy and sad, but such is life. And this is the way life is for almost everybody. And how do you deal with it is probably more important, the attitude that you bring to it. And to me, while I might stretch the argument here a little bit, it is also a little bit about human ego, which creeps in. And it's sort of, that's something that ends up spoiling the party for almost a lot of people, that aspect of ego. And I think that, when you get to a point where you feel, and these are biases in investing as well, where a lot of people think they know exactly what's going to happen. They know exactly what's to be done. And as Swaroop said, the market decides to do, something else altogether. And this aspect of, whatever you call it, maybe recency bias, there are so many biases that affect us in our investment planning as well. To be aware of it is probably the simplest lesson here, that, if you approach it with the fact that I know that I don't know, there are so many things that probably I don't know, I can probably take help. That is really a better approach, a better attitude to accept life as it is and the journey as it is. So it's a fantastic song that brings that to life. Thank you so much, Arnab.
Well said, Ajit. Well done. Absolutely spot on.
Yeah.
Thank you. Before we proceed to the next song, I would like to thank Karamveer, who is handling the sound backstage, and Azad, working on the camera. And something about the next song. This song is, as you might have seen me on television, I participated in a reality show called K for Kishore. It was, and I was the winner of that show. So I was supposed to sing this song once in one of the episodes, and one of the judges was eminent film director Nagesh Kukunurji. Nagesh said a wonderful thing about this song. He said that, whenever we hear the national anthem, we always stand up. नेशनल एंथम के बाद अगर कोई गाना है जिसको सुनकर मुझे लगता है कि मैं खड़ा हो जाऊं, तो वो ये गाना है. So this song is written and composed by Kishore Kumar Saab, and also the film Dur Gagan Ki Chhaon Mein was also directed by him. So he is a one-man show in this film. He has done everything, and he also acted in the movie. आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले. सूरज
सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे। कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले, लंबी सी डगर न खले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं, एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
Oh, awesome, awesome, Arnab. I think, I'm sure that all of us, but I definitely think of myself as an eternal optimist. This is a song for the eternal optimist. And I'm sure for the, I would say that for every Indian today, possibly, that, as we think about our future, combined futures, we've gone through so much struggle and so much challenges. There's been so much loss. And yet, life moves on, and the way that we are as a community, as a people, I think we do want to go into that future, which we can almost touch, and is a beautiful place that we can see into the future. And somewhere in all of this is the Indian way of taking everybody along into that future, and not something selfish. So this is a song that literally talks about, one person telling to the other that I will take you along into that future. There is no selfishness here. It's not about me. It's not about me alone achieving something. It's about me taking you along. It's the promise. It's the promise that you make yourself and the people you love. It's the promise, in a manner of speaking, advisors have in the relationship with their customers about taking them into a good future, to their best abilities and competencies. And so all around, it is a very positive message, a very optimistic one, which immediately appeals. And I didn't know this background, Arnab, about Nagesh Kuknur and how he interpreted it. But what you say is right. And I know that in this movie, Kishore Kumar is a soldier, and there's a whole context around it in this movie. An amazing job that he's done, and I would say an even better job that you've done for us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So the next song which I'm going to sing today is once again my own song. It is a very popular song. You have all heard it from the movie Khaki. This was composed by Ram Sampath, written by Sameer Saab, and I sang this song along with my co-singer and very dear friend Shreya Ghoshal. The song is called Vada Raha.
वादा रहा प्यार से प्यार का, अब हम ना होंगे जुदा, ये मेरी धड़कने सुन रहा है खुदा। वादा रहा प्यार से प्यार का, अब हम ना होंगे जुदा, ये मेरी धड़कने सुन रहा है खुदा। वादा रहा दोनों जहां को भूला हूं मैं, ऐसी लगी है तुझसे लगन। चाहे कहो इसे आवारगी, चाहे कहो इसे दीवानापन। दिल ने कहा, दिल ने सुना, मैंने तुझे दिलबर चुना। अब दूरियां ना रही दरमियां, क्या रंग लाई वफा। ये मेरी धड़कने सुन रहा है खुदा, वादा रहा प्यार से प्यार का, अब हम ना होंगे जुदा।
Radhika, I got to hand over to you. But what a beautiful song, Arnab. I think that the way you sang it, yeah. Go ahead, Radhika.
No, it's a beautiful song, and I think that they're also very. I'm a person obsessed with words. I think what we all do has a very strong fiduciary promise. So, as when I hear the words "Vada Raha," I keep thinking about the context of what we do as money managers, also planners. I think we make a promise. I know Swaroop has talked about this also in the past. I think we make a promise to manage and handle money responsibly, and I think we live with that promise every day. So this song and these two words, they stick in my head. And Arnab, of course, you sung it beautifully. It's a very popular song. We've heard it so many times. So thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. So the next song, after singing so many film songs, I thought, let me sing a ghazal. And when we talk about ghazal, only the first name which comes to my mind is Jagjit Singh Saab. So it's a tribute to him.
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया। हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया। जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया।
This is such an amazing song, Arnab, and I, like Swaroop has his bias. I have such a big Jagjit Singh bias, but you brought a very different touch to it. This is my favorite song of all time. I think the words are so simple. The picturization, even the woman in the song, it's so simple. I think the whole movie talks about simplicity. I like the song as it is standalone. I wish someone would have sung it to me. I keep telling my husband that. But even I think Swaroop and Ajit talked about this. The lines are beautiful. Tumko dekha to ye khayal aaya, zindagi dhoop tum ghana saya. I think when we talk about money, we talk a lot about benchmarks, returns, this, that. I think nobody wakes up saying, I want to generate alpha, I want to do this. I think money exists for a purpose. Money anchors life. It is that shade in a difficult life. Money enables dreams to come true. So that is a very, very important part. I don't think investing, financial planning, these are not random things. They are the things, they enable you to do the things that make a tough life very, very beautiful. And that's why I like the song. There's also a very nice antara that you sang, कि तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे हमने क्या खोया और क्या पाया. And this is a time when there is so much FOMO going on in the market. And I keep telling people no investment opportunity is going to run away. So you should never rush with money. Money should always be anchored to goals, to something important. कुछ चले जाने वाला नहीं है. Nothing is going to run away, including all our own inner force. But thank you, Arnav. It was just so beautiful. I think we all had lovely smiles on our faces. Has Arnav's screen frozen?
I think looks like it.
I think Arnav's screen is frozen. I was so happy listening to the song. Isn't it such a beautiful song?
Such voices, and he's doing justice to those songs. Unbelievable. Yeah. I mean, whenever it's Tumko Dekha to and somebody else singing is a huge thing. But look at what he's doing. Unbelievable. Yeah. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. There he is. Arnav, there you're back.
Yeah. So let us move on to the next song, because I feel that if I talk a lot, then who will sing? So we will continue with the singing. Yeah. Again, this is a very, very upbeat song. Just so we were talking about a lot of philosophy. So let us little bit break the monotony of that and go ahead and talk about the brighter side and enjoying life.
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा. रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं, होठों पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं. ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंस के जहर कोई पिए जाए. शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए, मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा.
I think this is one of Kishore Das' happiest songs. I think Rajesh Khanna's face, the whole vibe, and it's sort of perfect to hear this song as we set into the evening and also the closure of the program. I was asked Ajit and Swaroop a few days ago that what my thoughts on markets and everything good that is happening to all of us, was, and I said Ye Sham Mastani. Unfortunately, I also then said कि investors के point of view से मदहोश नहीं होना चाहिए. I think it is also to enjoy the good times and yet retain a sense and semblance of balance in these times. But Arnav, you sang such a beautiful song so beautifully, and as you said, I think we've come to a happy part rather than a philosophical part of this. So thank you.
Yeah. So the next song again, it is written by Santosh Anand Saab and sung by Lataji and Mukeshji. It's composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal. Once again, wonderful lyrics. I mean, the words are so nice. I mean, sometimes I miss these kind of words, in modern songs of today. And I'm glad that most of the songs which are offered to me today have meaningful words, because I love singing words with a lot of meaning and depth. So this song is, once again, one of my favorite songs.
एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है। जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है। जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
Such a lovely song. Such a lovely song. And this has such a fabulous, iconic sort of violin. And Arnab, you're right, the words to this are so special. You know, today's financial planning day, and I think this song talks of a relationship. It's also a relationship between planners and investors. And you know, things go wrong in that relationship. That beautiful antra you said, you know, kabhi kuch paoge, kabhi kuch khoge. And there's an antra after this. I mean, I remember the words to the song by heart. कि तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ, और तू मेरा सहारा है और मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ. And I think that just beautifully encompasses the state of partnership. Ajit talked about optimism. There are lines that say कि आँखों, you know, आशाओं का समंदर है. So it's beautiful. I think the relationship between a planner and an investor in building this journey of investing is such a beautiful one. And of course, you sang a Lataji song so beautifully.
Thank you. Thank you so much. The next song is again a very, very motivational song. And it is again one of my favorite songs, sung by Kishore Da and Kavita Krishnamurti, and from the movie Mr. India, composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji and written by, once again, one of my favorite lyricists, Javed Akhtar Saab.
जिंदगी की यही रीत है,
I think Arnab had.
Yeah, I seem to have lost Arnab.
Let's wait for him to come back.
Yeah.
Sorry, audience, you have to deal with us as
Radhika,
fillers.
song, huh? I must commend Ajit, Radhika. Wonderful song. I'm having a lovely time. Look at the names.
And you know the funny, Swaroop, most of these songs are from before I was born.
Yeah, it's incredible. That's what music is. And look at the software. That's
the beauty of the lyrics, right? Yeah, the beauty of the lyrics of the 60s and 70s. And I think we probably, at least Swaroop, you and I, we are not Radhika, she's so young. We are the ones she called oldies. So we are the ones who are the sandwich generation, where we have such a connection to there and to what's happening now. Back,
Arnab. Yeah, Arnab is back.
It's on mute, but yeah.
सवेरा भी है जिंदगी, जिंदगी रात भी है, सवेरा भी है जिंदगी, जिंदगी है सफर और बसेरा भी है जिंदगी, जिंदगी है सफर और बसेरा भी है जिंदगी, एक पल दर्द का गाँव है, दूसरा सुख भरी छाँव है, हर नए पल नया गीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है, थोड़े आंसू है, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है.
Super, Arnab. Incidentally, Javed Sahab is also my favorite lyricist. I feel his lyrics are very simple and very meaningful. This song is a very happy song. This movie is a very happy one. But I think all three of us will tell you that for a markets profession, there is no better one that describes market cycles. Market ki bhi yahi reet hai. Haar ke baad bhi jeet hai. And I think it's also important to remind yourself at this time, because you've seen good times. I think we forget what happened in March 2020. So it's always important to remember that market ki bhi yahi reet hai, haar ke baad bhi jeet hai. And I think the other thing is, then you learn something. This profession, the greatest thing about this profession is you never get bored. You are always learning something and being on your toes. And I know it's a Kishore Kumar song, Arnab, you sang it beautifully. I think I know you have one last song for us.
Yeah. To close so true, Radhika. Yes.
So basically in this session, we covered so many different lyricists, more than singers and music director. I thought that...
now when you were offline, we were discussing that. Look at the names we've covered.
Yes.
From Syed Lidharmi Saab to Javed Akhtar Saab,
yes.
The entire...
So one more name I'll add. Yes, one more name I'll add to this list is Bakshi Saab, Anand Bakshi Saab. And this song, this is the last song of this evening, but what an amazing song. I mean, written by him, composed by R.D. Burman Saab and sung by Kishore Kumar Saab.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के, ओ राही 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 ओ राही. सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले हैं अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही।
Superb. I don't think there could be a better way to close the evening.
Yeah.
Again, such a beautiful song, and perhaps on World Financial Planning, it's a song to remind us that whether you're a planner, whether you're an investor, and whether you are in whatever part of the business, asset management company, I think don't stop the mission that we are on. I'm a younger member of the industry, but I certainly feel very proud of this mission that all of us in the mutual fund industry, financial planning industry, investors are on to become a more financially literate, better savings nation. I feel so proud of what I wake up and do. And it's not the easiest journey. I think perhaps Swaroop and Ajit have been on it longer, so they can speak to that. But I think the one thing that we shouldn't do is stop. I think rukna nahi chahiye, aage chalte rehna chahiye. If you're an investor, don't stop investing, don't stop learning. Definitely don't stop those SIPs that Swaroop talked about. If you're a planner, don't stop engaging with your clients. And I think if you're an asset management company, don't stop what you're doing. There will always be non-believers, but we've made incredible strides, and let's not stop.
I know, and Arnab, to make this song, your final song, I mean, you sang 15 songs, and this was your 15th one. To pick this song with all its range and high pitches is incredible. It just goes to your talent, and I'm wishing and hoping that we see you so much more all across, and I'm sure that will happen. Thank you so much to you and Puneet. Fantastic collaboration. And to our good friend Rajesh Krishnamurthy, who I can see now for this fantastic opportunity for a very different take to World Financial Planning Day. I think Swaroop, Radhika and I, did our best to sometimes very authentically and sometimes very forcibly fit a lot of planning concepts into the songs that we chose. But I think in the final analysis, these are songs that I think speak to our heart, speak to us very personally. And I just hope that for everybody who's watching, they have a sort of lyrical journey ahead. Thanks so much, Rajesh and Arnab and Puneet and all the team back there.
Oh, Radhika, I must commend you for signing off with that song. And I'll be a little honest, Arnab, please don't take me otherwise. I'm a third generation music listener. I'm a third generation listener of music on the analog format. I listen to music only on vinyl. I do not like electronic music for whatever reasons. And so I'm a very big critic of sound and a voice. And when some of these songs were put down, I was looking forward to hearing you, and incredible. I'm not saying this because you're in front of us or anything, because these are large songs and these are large singers. Some of the words are larger than life, but what you did today, I must commend, is an unforgettable evening for me. When Rajesh said that we'll do this format, I was not very sure of how it will go about, but Ajit and Radhika, I think, you guys rocked it, and it was one of the best events that I've come and been part of. First of all, thank you, Rajesh,
for so much fun on a
inviting us and doing this. Really, it's not because we are saying this. I'm just being very honest today. And Arnab, outstanding. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This
really
was totally Rajesh's idea. In fact, earlier also, he suddenly one day called me up and said that you have to go and sing in a financial conclave. So I'm like, financial क्या गाऊंगा यार ये तो समझ. So he said नहीं वो तो हम कर लेंगे लेकिन आपको सिर्फ जाके गाना है. So I was like, but every time he pulls it off. So thanks to him actually.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I always say that I have a therapist and music is my therapist, and today just confirmed that.
Arnab and Rajesh, you can see we don't smile like this through webinars. I don't have so much fun through most webinars I do. So this was the most fun I've had in a webinar. Half the office is wondering कि यहाँ हो क्या रहा है. They think it's some music session going on. They're all complaining कि मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया.
I know in between I got a message from one of your colleagues saying it's not fair that my boss is listening to music during office hours. So, thank you so much. I should start by thanking the blessed musicians. Puneet, awesome. You were great on strings.
I think we missed out Puneet in the whole thing. Puneet, unbelievable. Yeah.
Thank you, Puneet.
Yeah. And
sorry.
And yes, of course, I mean, the star of the show, today is World Financial Planning Day. But, I always talk about it, saying that, if we are able to even encourage one person to understand, what it means to manage money, what it means to know more about financial planning, then we are successful. And therefore, with music, I thought we could connect with more people. And Dada is so flowing into the event. So it's been excellent. I mean, I must say that I was itching to pick up the cajon or the drums and come and sit behind. He even offered that to me. I said it'll look too much.
Yeah, for those who don't know, I don't know whether in the audience that Rajesh is a fantastic musician himself and mostly a good percussionist. So you hear him mixing some of the songs that he's done. It's been phenomenal. I can almost imagine a jam session happening with Arnab and Rajesh and hopefully we have that opportunity sometime, Rajesh.
So with that, I think we are bang on time. We have just 1 minute. So that is your minute of glory. Ajit, are you going to sing? Who is going to sing?
Yes,
Ajit,
yes. He
Swaroop,
promised.
Radhika.
Ajit had promised.
Ajit had promised.
There's no way. Come on, Rajesh. You can't get me to do that, and I don't have this, I need the studio environment and all that.
Ajit, come on. Ajit.
ठीक है आपके लिए सुनाई दे रहा हूँ.
Absolutely.
एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, ढूंढा उसे मगर लम्हा कहीं नहीं, देखा तो यही है ढूंढा तो नहीं है, पर ये भी जाने वाला है, हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. There you go.
Wow, Ajit, you rocked it.
Wow. That's like the perfect close. 5:30 on the dot. And I must thank you once again, all of you, for making this a wonderful evening. With this, I would need to hop off to the next session of our day, which is a word of thanks. And we are just going to tune out from here and extend the word of thanks to everybody. Thank you, panelists, all the musicians who joined the musicians here. Great to have you. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Thanks again. Thanks everybody. Radhika, Swaroop, see you soon. Rajesh, bye.
Bye.